Hello, in this video we're gonna unbox the BestOffice gaming chair, which is like the most rated chair on Amazon. So let's see what we're gonna do. That's the back of the chair. No, that's basically, yeah, this is the seat itself. And that's the back of the chair. Let's put it here on the side. And this is basically for the legs, you can say. This is like headrest. And this is like backrest. And this is like the wheels. Let's open it. The wheels. And also this will go with the legs. Okay. Yeah. This is like some screws that we're gonna use while installing it. I'm gonna put aside here. We don't need an experiment tool or something. This will go down with the seat. Let's put it here. And this is basically the armrests. Yeah, it's the armrest. This is the first one. And this is the second one. So let's put them with the seat. And this one will hold the legs together. So let's put it with the legs here. Yeah, and the most important piece here is the manual, because basically with the manual we're gonna know how to install it. So yeah, let's see now. Okay. So we're gonna start by the arm legs. Maybe this step here, which is the most easy one. So we're gonna start by this piece in here, which will gather all the legs together and connect the legs into it. So let's see. Let's first open this one. And based on the manual, we're gonna put this one in here to this part. So you're gonna see here, yeah, we should remove this first. So once you put it, you're gonna align two holes with two holes, like that. And you're gonna do the same for all the rest of them. Okay, now we need the screws. So the screws that we should use is called Z2. it's 10 of them because we have like 5 legs and each leg needs 2. There are 2 holes, so we need 10 of these Z2. I'm gonna go here and you're gonna find this. Yes, these guys here are the Z2s. So let's open that one in here. Don't open all of them to avoid any mess. Okay, and we're gonna use basically the tools that they provided. So yep, like that. That's good. We finished now all the screws. Now it is the turn of the wheels. So let's put the wheels and we put it in that way. You just need to push. That's it. It's not hard. So let's open that as usual. And you just push because this guy, you know, this hole in here will just be on the other side. No. It's yep. Once it ticks, that means it's good. Ticks, that's it's good. Another tick, that's good. And another tick, that's good. And another tick, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now we should flip this over. This is basically how it looks like after installing. And we got that base in here, okay, which is the lifter basically, from which we go. This is basically like air pressure or something. We put it in that way, so it should be like that orientation, and you put like the thick board in that hole, and that's it. You can just like yeah, turn it like half a degree or something, and yeah, that's it. So now we put the second step. Let's start it. So that's one step. We put it aside. Now we're gonna start by the seat itself. So let's bring the seat here. And the orientation is very important, so let's keep the orientation is like that. So here is like the manual, the front is in that way, so here is the front. Okay, so now after that we need to put that piece, which is, I believe, yeah, that big one in here, yeah, this one. And when you put it, you align the front to the front. So here is, this is basically the lifter. Let's check. Yeah, so that big like wheel in here should be, if you look at the manual, that big like wheel should be oriented with the front. And we hold it in place using what screwed. It should be 4 of Z7. So let's check. Here is the C7. Just bring them over. We have 4 of them. Don't push all the way through. Just align them first, and once you're sure that all of them, you know, can go smoothly, then tighten them up. Yeah, we can tighten them now again using that orientation. I like to do them like in a cross manner. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. Now we put the 4Z7, we have put them on, and yeah, the last step here is to put like this seat over, you know, the wheels. So let's bring up the wheels and see. Here's the wheels, and we put that part to that. It doesn't matter which way, because it should like rotate in all directions. So let's check that. Yeah, and it should rotate like that. Okay, so the next step basically will be step 3 in here. We're gonna do it after a moment. Okay, so now it's step 3, in which we're gonna put like the arm rest. We have 2 because we have 2 sides basically. So let's check the armrest. This one in here. So this one will go to that location. Yeah. So basically, this is the front of the chair. This is the back. Here we're gonna put like the back stand. So it should be like that. Okay. And this way in here, we're gonna put this piece in here, this big piece. So as you see, guys, there are 4 screws, 4 holes for 4 screws. 2 of them will go now with the seat, and then when we put like the back in here, we're gonna put another 2. Okay, so let's start with these 2. So let's check which screw we need. We need Z16, and there are 8 of them because we're gonna have like 4 for this armrest and another 4 for the other armrest. So let's start by 2 of them. So let's pick here. This is the Z16. Let's open them up. Let's grab only 4. Okay, so we need right now. Let's check. Yeah, that's enough for now. Let's see what's the other one. So this is basically, you know, the end of step 3, in which we put the armband. As you see, guys, we put like 2 screws in each one. There are still 2. We're gonna put like them in step 4. Okay, so in step 4, which is that one in here, we're gonna put like the back of the chair. So let's bring it. And as you see, guys, here there are two holes that will go just for these two holes in here, and this is basically for two sides. So we're gonna still use Z16. Remember, we used 4 of them, and now we're gonna use the other 4. Okay, so let's put that guy in here, and let's bring. We should align them together. That's not easy because like it's very heavy. Yeah. Okay, so let's bring the other 4 screws. Maybe the above one is easier. Yeah, it is easier. Like 33 degrees. Yeah, maybe if we use the other way around, it would be easier. Yeah. So yeah, it's adaptable from both ways. Now we can use or turn it like 360 degrees. Yeah, that's much better actually. Let's do the same with the other ones. Okay, that's it, guys. So we have assembled the chair. For me, you know, this is the most important part. Go up or down, and as you see, you know, very flexible, very comfortable as well. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.